What do you think
Honestly,
about this, man?
honestly, dude, the form.
Bro, I don't know
Dude,
about
I've
all
never
that.
done that form. Like, I wouldn't know.
Yeah.
Like, I mean, I've come close.
Maybe I'm not a photographer, but
I'm not even.
all I'm saying.
So, yeah,
I'm down.
we're doing sunset in Milwaukee. So this is Ethan, by the way.
What's good?
You
You
can
can
go
on Instagram. What's up, gang?
Yeah, go check him out. And then we're also meeting Ben. I don't know his last
Ben
name.
Morgany.
Yeah.
Ben Morgany, the absolute goat. You
Yeah.
need any wedding shit, he's your guy.
Yeah. So in Wisconsin, right by Chicago, by the Great Lakes, and yeah. So let's get going.
Let's get her going.
Oh shit. This might be too powerful actually for what I'm
Well, what are you
trying to do. The 360.
I'll be able to edit it in post and
Okay.
make it so it's on you or whatever you want to show.
Okay.
So it's recording now.
So always okay. So okay. Yeah, there you got it.
Yeah,
I got
it's,
it.
it's recorded. You're recording. Damn, that's a good shot. We should get sponsored by Insta 360.
Yeah, a little bit. So how good is the audio on this?
Pretty good.
Okay.
It's not great.
It's okay. Yeah, I mean, I would guess. Yeah. So there were some waves back here we're checking out.
Right here by the Leo.
Oh yeah. If you wanted your car washed, I guess.
I don't know if it needs a wash.
Ooh. Oh, it's cold.
You should walk down there and see if you can make it to the end.
I don't have anything of importance.
Are you gonna do it? That's waterproof. I'll go with you. Oh no, he's not, dude. We might have to start running, bro. We might have to start running. That one wasn't as bad, bro. This next one is...
Okay, on the low though, dude, I got this dancing app. It's like a subscription type shit. On the low. So I gotta get on my dancing skills.
That ass?
Yeah, that ass. It's gonna happen. I think it's gonna happen.
I'd do it. I'd do it. What's going on here?
Setting up the tripod. Ethan's your tripod that I don't know how to. And then do a little bit of this. Now we're gonna bring this over here. Get the 360.
Oh, we got goldfish in here too, bro.
Oh.
Oh, god damn, bro. You got some sugar? Swedish fish?
Yeah. Okay. I like this. Now what I'm gonna do is, so can you stand at the end of that yellow line right there? And kick that shit out of it. Messing up the composition. Alright, let's see. So I think I'm gonna need to go back a little, record it, and just record it. And I'm gonna have to straighten it out later, which is fine. But can you dance? Okay, I think you're good, yeah. I I'm mainly testing it right now, but it's still recording.
You got pretty bad at dancing, we'll say that.
Alright, you want to see whatever the fuck I got? Let's see. Dude, I love the tilty stories. So I was telling everybody I was gonna have to straighten it out later, but
Go crazy.
But this way I'm gonna be able to zoom in on you and like move around and stuff.
I'm not a good dancer, bro.
Don't even.
You should go dance.
I should go dance.
Are you a good dancer?
I'm not
Are you
a good
decent dancer, bro?
I'm not a good dancer, but
Do I need to do a TikTok dance?
okay. Thank you to Dan or whoever was in charge of the snacks for the trip. I just had a bunch of these. Super good. Dude, there was this one guy on Twitter, he got a $5 paycheck and he sent me it, and I just found out like 10 days ago, or like 10 days after he sent him, and I gotta buy cereal with it. Because I told him I was gonna buy cereal with it.
Exactly. Can't go wrong getting cereal, guys. Cereal's the way to go. No, I'm a true hypocrite because I haven't had cereal. Like,
I have not either.
I have cereal?
You have
Oh,
cereal.
my fucking door's open. That's how you fix this
Is
shit
it
on the
this
go,
one?
guys. You give her a little,
Oh
little
my.
bit of this, watch, and then there you go. Throw the wheel in. That's how you close your shit.
Face. Northumberlands. If you know what I mean. Dude, there's always somebody doing a car shoot down here, though.
Like me.
Yeah, like you.
I really do be here.
I mean, I wasn't calling you out.
Yeah, I've definitely done like some
Trying to call you
4 car shoots down here. I mean, not by any
Yeah,
means.
so this is the Milwaukee Hone Bridge.
There you got the lights on. You can see.
I don't have any fun facts for you guys because I don't know much about
This
it.
bridge was built in 1964, right when Milwaukee was becoming pretty big, with the industrial development that was coming here. And so we had a bunch of big companies, a lot of brewing companies. We got Pabst. we got-
There's a girl there in that.
What?
Do you think she wants a photo shoot?
A girl in what?
In the Jeep back there.
Any girl in a Jeep. Here, let me see the camera quick.
Yeah,
Is
you
it
do it.
recording?
Yeah, it's recording.
All right. Any girl that's got a Jeep wants a photo shoot. She totally wants a photo shoot. She totally wants a photo shoot. Is there someone else in the car? I see 2 people in the car. They do got a Jeep though. Girls in Jeeps, by the way. Oh my god. Oh my god. Is this autofocus?
It's not on now. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is.
Alright, yeah. Well, if you're a girl and you drive. Oh shit, dude.
Are they coming out?
I wonder what she's doing, bro. She might be trying.
Photo shoot.
Oh, she's got her own photographer, bro.
Oh no, dude.
Dude, that's a straight.
Lost at our own game right now.
That's a straight.
Dude, wait. Yeah.
Straight.
Who is that guy?
Straight after the chat, bro. Whoever you are.
Who is he? I don't recognize him. Oh, no, I don't. I don't know his name.
That shit's, bro. Look at the form. Look at the form,
dude.
man.
Look at the form, dude. Look at that squad, dude. They're going in fast because they know it's cold. Gotta avoid the red red hands.
Number two photo. Here we go.
Oh, dude, look at the dude.
Oh shit, bro. Sheesh, go crazy, bro. Dude, if he's not clapping,
Bro,
cheeks,
if those are-
we got a problem, man. He's putting way too much dedication just because this girl's got a Jeep, man. Definitely Marquette kids. What can I say? Marquette.
Bro,
You do not need to get down on your belly like that, bro.
Dude,
Especially
that's
for this girl.
crazy, dude.
This girl got you down on your hands and knees, man.
Dude,
Form. Jesus Christ, bro. Sharpshooter. Sheesh. Let's see what we got here. Is it good enough?
Gains on a Sunday.
I'm calling it's not good enough. She needs another one.
Gains on a Sunday.
Oh, yeah, we need another one. Post up. Now he's getting a little bit upset. He's like, oh, down again.
Dude.
Jesus Christ.
That's
Oh,
really
what do we got here? A fucking shitter of a car, bro. No offense. This is a nice camera, man.
Yeah, that's great.
Man. Oh, okay. Hit him with it. Hey. Oh, yeah. Sheesh. All right. What do you think about this, man?
Dude,
What do you think about this, man?
honestly, Dude, the form.
Bro, I don't know
Dude,
about
I've
all
never
that.
done that form. Like, I wouldn't know.
Yeah.
Like, I mean, I've come close.
Maybe I'm not a photographer, but
I'm not even.
all I'm saying, man, is like photo shoot. Just like at least get the Jeep in it, man. What can I say?
What is it? It's almost 5 on a Sunday.
Jesus Christ, dude. I mean, these pics got to go up before Monday, else we have a big problem, bro. She's got to post. She's got to post.
Dude,
schedule.
we got the behind the scenes. We know what's up.
We know how he does it. We got the inside loop. If you want to take our master class on how whatever dude's name is that go to Marquette. Yeah.
It's dropping before.
Yeah, it'll be dropping next Thursday. We'll get his Instagram. We'll do a live interview. For sure. Definitely.
Get him on Clubhouse.
Oh shit, still going.
You gotta zoom.
I'm zoomed. Oh, they're already back from the Jeep. Fuck.
Dude,
well,
but they got a Jeep. Can you get the Jeep?
Yeah, they got the Jeep, man. Disrespectful. Shit's funny as hell.
Okay, so this is the part of the video where it was pretty windy, so you couldn't really hear much. I'm going to upload this particular clip to YouTube in the 360 format, so hopefully you guys will enjoy that, and you can move it around with your phone or your computer, whatever device you're on. And I'll show some photos right now of the different photos that I got during this. But it was pretty windy, so yeah. Again, thanks everybody for watching, and let's get back to the video.
Yes. I think I knew these twins in. Well, I didn't know them, but they were like in my class.
Do all of them?
Yeah, and they had like haircuts just like Justin Bieber, and they were like, yeah, they were Bieber fans in like elementary school.
I see those guys must have got chirped off their ass. Can't be doing that.
Yeah. Dude, they were twins though, so like, I don't know.
They were probably
Madison's pretty small, so probably could find them again.
They were probably Vine famous back in the day. Oh, you were. That's a cool shot. Here's the location of Jeep Girl.
Jeep Girl. That's enough. Use Google Maps for shit, guys. Because you can save your locations. Do you know where Juneau Avenue is?
I don't know. Okay. Damn, that girl busting down, bro. She running for no reason. In her bare feet. Is she running from something? Are you okay, man? Should I say that to your recording?
Yeah, that's me though. Low-key though.
Low-key. Are you good? Yeah. Okay.
You can arrive.
I mean, you gotta ask. That'd be nice. We're all Wisconsinites.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm just running around in my bare feet.
Northern complex.
Goofy ass, bro.
Showing results for
I thought she left here.
Yeah, I left here.
Oh, this is kind of big.
No, I feel like.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto South
I
First
feel like you
Street.
can get in one of these.
Probably can.
Circle onto South 6th
Okay,
Street.
guys, so this is where we were at last time. If you guys remember, last video. This is where we were.
Dude, I think we're gonna get some streaks over there. Some red streaks from the clouds.
I wouldn't want to get on.
Do you-
Get the capsite in it though, so I don't want to be able to get
Stand on it? Dude, you could totally stand on it. There's totally enough room. Wait, Ben, I'm doing a YouTube video. You want to introduce yourself?
What's up, everybody? I'm Ben.
Your Instagram? All right. We already kind of introduced you earlier, but like, yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Give Bailey a plug.
Snapping shots.
Thank you. Yeah, I honestly don't think.
Oh shit! Like you can just take pictures right here. Yeah, fine us that.
Yeah.
Sit out.
Also,
Here, I'm gonna.
figure out what I can get us out of this bitch. Gonna be so easy. What?
Alright, hold on. Dude, they're gonna be over there doing that. Dude, this is an okay view. It's a little cold though. I don't know how I feel about that. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna do a couple brackets here. And, oh dude, see, yeah, that right there is nice, yeah. That goes down. Do one of those side. Yeah.
Dude, how is that even convenient at all? Like, you have to put it in your car first, right? You gotta fucking drive it somewhere, and then, like, while you're driving, put it, like, how is that the most easy way to get shit done? You know?
Chili.
Like, I'll come out and shoot with you guys again if you guys do want to call it a day.
Yeah, dude, it's fucking, it is a little slippery.
Seeing the property.
It's a little.
It's fine. We didn't have any sunset.
I don't.
Yeah, there's another prophecy to be.
Yeah.
There's
To be
more
facts,
props.
Yeah.
All right. That's fine then.
All right, gentlemen.
See you later.
All right, we'll see.
All right.
Look at the studio setup.
I don't even think I'm gonna do it because he doesn't want to come either. So I'm gonna wait until motherfuckers wants to hang out.
Maybe, honestly, maybe later tonight.
All right.
But we'll see. I do have some stuff I need to get done.
Yeah, I have a few.
Alright.
Homework, but we'll see.
Alright. See you, man.
Okay, so that's gonna do it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. I spent quite a bit of time working on that, and I appreciate you guys for making it all the way through this entire video. Go check out Ethan in the description and Ben in the description for their Instagrams, and don't forget to hit subscribe if you made it through and you want to watch more photography content. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video.